Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Extreme Weather Doggy Door is probably one of the most innovative solutions for pet owners who want to give their furry friends the freedom to come and go as they please, regardless of the elements, ensuring your home remains comfortable and energy efficient while your dog enjoys unrestricted access to the outdoors, even during the harshest storms or coldest winters, making it an essential addition for any dedicated pet parent seeking ultimate convenience and peace of mind. Number 5. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door. Tired of complicated pet doors? This one is designed for renters, installing easily into your sliding glass door track without any permanent changes. Keep your home energy efficient and secure. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a lock kit for peace of mind. Designed with your medium-sized dog in mind, it accommodates pets up to 40 pounds with a generous flap opening. Since 1998, we've been creating innovative and trusted products that enhance the lives of pets and strengthen the bond with their families. Forget about cutting or complex setups. This pet door slides right into your existing glass door track for a simple, hassle-free installation. Ideal for apartments or condos, you can easily take it with you when you move, making it a flexible choice for pet owners on the go. What we like? This is a fantastic option if you're renting or want a super easy, no-hassle installation. It slides right into your existing glass door track without any permanent changes. If you need a secure and energy-efficient way for your medium-sized dog to get in and out without damaging your rental property, this is the one for you. What people say? It is so crazy easy to install. It literally took me less than 10 minutes. The weather stripping and the magnetic flap do a great job of keeping out drafts. The sliding pet door is sturdy and easy to install. Adjustable, spring-loaded top makes it easy to slide in place and remove. Number 4. PetSafe Easy Install Plastic Pet Door for Extra-Large Dogs. Installing this pet door is a breeze, fitting seamlessly into wood, PVC, metal, or panel doors. You'll have it set up in no time, whether it's for interior or exterior use. Crafted from durable, rust-free plastic, this frame is also paintable to match your home's aesthetic. Its weather-resistant flap ensures long-lasting, pet-friendly performance. Keep your pet secure with the included lockable slide panel, giving you control over their comings and goings. The extra-large flap is designed for pets up to 220 pounds. From U.S. roots, we deliver vet and trainer-recommended solutions designed to create joy for your pets. We are committed to exceptional customer support. Since 1998, we've been dedicated to creating safe, innovative, and trusted products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and strengthen the bond you share. What we like? If you have a very large dog, up to 220 pounds, this is the door you need to consider. Its extra-large flap size ensures comfortable passage for even the biggest breeds. It's also easy to install in various door types and offers a secure, lockable panel for when you need to restrict access. What people say? It's the perfect size for our Great Dane and fits just right. It feels sturdy and well made, and installation was straightforward. The installation was incredibly straightforward thanks to the thorough, easy-to-follow instructions. It has a clean, high-quality look once installed and functions perfectly. The plastic construction makes it significantly lighter than metal alternatives, which made the installation process much more manageable. Despite being plastic, it feels sturdy and has withstood months of frequent use without showing signs of wear. The paintable surface is a nice touch. I was able to match it perfectly to my door color. The weather stripping creates a good seal, and I haven't noticed any drafts even during windy weather. The flap itself moves smoothly and has just the right amount of resistance. The closing panel is secure when locked in place, perfect for nighttime or when we're away. The flap corners are well reinforced, which is crucial for preventing tears from repeated use. Number 3. PetSafe Wall Entry Pet Door. Introducing the PetSafe Wall Entry Pet Door, the perfect solution for homes where traditional door-mounted pet doors aren't feasible. It installs seamlessly into interior or exterior walls. This pet door is built to last with a rust-free, telescoping frame that can be painted to match your decor. The insulated flap provides all-weather performance and is easy to clean. You can control when your pet has access with the included closing panel, offering peace of mind. The small flap size is ideal for pets up to 15 pounds. Designed for straightforward installation, it fits walls ranging from 4.34 to 7 inches thick. Enjoy a convenient pet access solution without altering your doors. With over 25 years of experience, PetSafe is dedicated to creating safe and innovative products that enhance the lives of pets and strengthen the bond with their families. PetSafe offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions, backed by exceptional customer support. We are committed to creating joyful experiences for your beloved pets. What we like. This is the perfect solution if a door-mounted pet door just isn't an option for your home. It installs directly into interior or exterior walls, making it incredibly versatile. If you have a small pet up to 15 pounds and are looking for a discreet, all-weather installation in a wall, this is your best bet. What people say. Installation was easy, and the flaps work perfectly. It's cold right now, and because of the magnets, the cold really isn't coming in. The double flap system insulates against temperature extremes. I just went through a heat wave in the south and I had no issues with heat around this door. Como la cortina es de plástico y tiene un imán para cerrarse no entra a diferencia de otras puertas de este tipo. Number 2. PetSafe Extreme Weather Large Pet Door. Keep your home comfortable in any weather. This pet door features a triple flap thermal barrier that blocks 3x more energy than standard doors, maintaining your indoor temperature. Built to last, this door has a heavy-duty exterior frame with reinforced corners. It's perfect for multi-pet households and designed for large dogs up to 100 pounds. Installation is a breeze, fitting most exterior doors from 1.5 to 2 inches thick. It also includes a slide-in locking panel for secure closure and controlled access. From its U.S. roots, PetSafe offers vet and trainer-recommended solutions. We are dedicated to creating joy for pets and providing exceptional customer support. For over 25 years, we've been crafting safe and innovative products. Our goal is to enhance pet lives and support the lifelong bond between pets and their families. What we like. For those living in areas with harsh weather, this door offers superior insulation. Its triple flap thermal barrier significantly reduces energy loss, keeping your home comfortable and saving on heating or cooling costs. If you have a large dog up to 100 pounds and prioritize energy efficiency and extreme weather protection, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The door was pretty easy to install, as we were just replacing another PetSafe door of the same size. Once installed, you can notice immediate improvement in the magnetic seal. The area by our back door was significantly less chilly. It also holds up to some fair wind, and it gets very windy where we live. Today we're getting wind gusts of 20 miles per hour. And the door does open during those bigger gusts, and then immediately closes again with the magnet. It was straightforward to install and helps reduce the draft that we were getting with our previous door. The 2 exterior flaps and 1 center insulated flap really help to make sure that there is no air coming in. This is a well-made sturdy door flap that works well. The white plastic screws in the pack seemed flimsy, but in use we realized they are slightly flexible, which meant it was a lot easier to line up and secure. There were also metal screws for fitting the outer panel. I do see why the other screws are plastic and the door is very secure with them. There are adjustment screws to allow the movement of the individual flaps on both sides to make sure it closes well. Ours is closing fairly well, but we will probably adjust slightly to make it perfect. Meantime, it does keep out any drafts and no colder than it was in the room. Number 1. PetSafe Classic Replacement Flap, Large. Easily restore your pet's access with this quick replacement flap. Its magnetic closure ensures a secure seal every time. This flap is built for convenience and compatibility. It's designed to fit seamlessly with wall entry and patio panel pet door models. Made from durable, easy-to-clean vinyl, this flap is built to last. It provides long-term use for both indoor and outdoor settings. PetSafe has been providing vet and trainer-recommended solutions for pets for over 25 years. We are dedicated to creating joy for pets and their families. Enjoy a simple installation process that quickly gets your pet back to their routine. This replacement flap ensures continued access and peace of mind. What we like. This is not a full door, but a crucial component for maintaining your existing PetSafe door. If your current flap is worn out or damaged, this replacement will restore its functionality and weather seal. If you have a compatible PetSafe wall entry or patio panel door and want a quick, easy fix to keep your pet's access secure and weathertight, this is what you need. What people say. The door is very sturdy and well made. It keeps out the wind and rain effectively. My dog learned to use it very quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.